In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload fonts on Canva. To get you started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open the application on your device and sign in to your account. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll be able to find the brand button below the templates button. So go ahead and click on the brand button. Now, in here, go ahead and click on brand kits. Now, under brand kits, click on brand kit to be able to customize your brand kit. Now, on the font section, go ahead and click on choose a font for your title. Now, you can select from this selection of fonts or click on the upload a font to be able to upload a font of your choice on Canva. Now, take note that uploading a font will require you to subscribe to the Canva Pro plan on the application. Free Canva users aren't allowed to upload their own font on the platform. So go ahead and upload your font in this section and click on the check icon to proceed on saving this font as one of your title fonts on Canva. And that's how you can simply upload a font on Canva. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.